What happens after someone buys your course? Most creators spend the next 10 minutes doing this. Create an entry in the CRM, create a bill for the purchase, add the customer to an email list, send them a welcome email. But what if you could describe all of this in one sentence, and AI built the entire workflow for you? This is just one example. You can automate hundreds of workflows by describing what you want in plain English. Whether it's CRM, email marketing, spreadsheets, accounting, or project management, just tell the AI what you want and let it build the workflow for you. Stop manual work. Start describing what you want to automate and let the rest be handled by viaSocket. In the next 2 minutes, I'll show you how. Let's get started inside viaSocket. Log into your account and choose the workspace you want to use. Once you're on the dashboard, click on Create New Flow. On the home screen, there's a box where you describe what you want to achieve. Instead of building this step by step, we'll describe what we want in plain English and let AI build it for us. Whenever a customer purchases a product in ThriveCart, create or update the customer in HubSpot, create a deal for the purchase, add them to our Kit email list, send a personalized welcome email from Gmail, and log the purchase in Google Sheets. If the customer already exists, update the record instead of duplicating it. The AI instantly breaks that into a clear plan. Trigger on a ThriveCart purchase, create or update the customer in HubSpot, create a deal, create or update the subscriber in Kit, send a welcome email from Gmail, and log the purchase in Google Sheets. We confirm the plan, then connect our apps, ThriveCart, HubSpot, Kit, Gmail, and Google Sheets, and set up the trigger using ThriveCart's Products mode. The AI then asks a few quick questions to finish the setup. Which HubSpot pipeline new deals going to? We pick Sales Pipeline. Which Kit form purchasers get added to? And which Google Sheet and columns should log the purchase? Like email, name, and an AI-generated summary. Now for the welcome email. We describe it in plain text with placeholders like customer name and product name, and the AI drafts a warm thank you message confirming the purchase. We approve both and confirm the final plan. And just like that, our flow is built. It's called ThriveCart Purchase Follow-Up and CRM Sync. It triggers on every ThriveCart purchase, creates or updates the contact and deal in HubSpot, creates or updates the subscriber in Kit, sends the welcome email through Gmail, and logs a new row in Google Sheets. HubSpot and Kit are automatically deduplicated by email, so repeat customers never create duplicate records. Now, all you need to do is click Publish. That's it. From this point onward, every new ThriveCart purchase will trigger this workflow automatically. No manual work required. Start making your workflow today on viaSocket.